What a beautiful morning! Trees make everything so... Oh no! Why are they cutting down these trees? Trees give us air! I need to tell Dad. He'll know what to do. Dad, people are cutting trees outside. It's so wrong. We need them for clean air.
You're right, sweetheart. Trees are life. We'll make everyone understand. We'll start a campaign. Everyone must know how important trees are.
Yes, Dad. I'll tell my friends too. Trees give us life. Let's protect them.
You're right, little one. We'll stop!
You did it, Kitten! One voice can change many hearts!
Together we save the trees.